Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make easy money from free cash. There is a website and maybe you heard before too, but I'm gonna show you how you can easily go for that and make really good money, or you can say just like extra money. Yeah, this is not a full-time income, but still you can have some extra cash next to you, or you can do really proper way and you can get some good money because there are hundreds of app which give you like free money if you do their task or something like that. Like you can see my screen, get paid for testing apps, games and service, earn up to 225 per offer. And there are still have offer like 14,000 plus offers are there, and you can see that's like 4.5 rating. And Netflix and TikTok, they are giving really good money and everything. And you can see in the side, you can simply do sign in or sign up, and you can see the earn. Like most featuring apps are here, they are even giving you $497 just to complete one task. And that's not a joke, it's like really really real thing. The people are really earning money. And you can see there are really good apps, like they are even paying up to 151 for 500 to $76. And their tasks are so simple. Instead of wasting your time on just like free games and do surveys, this is the legit website. You can go and you can sign up and you can just simply start earning. It's not just that, you can see their offers, what they're giving you offers. Like there are really good offers and games. You can go for games if you're interested to play games. You can simply go for games and complete the task. And there are deposit. Even the banks have collaboration with them. Like you can see the crypto, the banking, and everyone. They are giving them like services, and you can see even 5,000. Here you go. Look, the Draft King, they even giving you max money if you do complete their task. Even you can go for crypto, and if you really wanna shop something, just go for that and purchase something through here. And you can make money with, also spend money, but you can take money too from them. The free trials, like you can do use their free trials and still can make good money. And there are, you can see Amazon Music, mm, BarkBox, restaurants, and there are thousand apps. And everyone, like they're trying to give you just take money on the bench. But it's like it's so easy. You don't have to go get up and do struggle. You just can sit on your bed and couch and start doing these small tasks or surveys or quiz. There are, if you are interested, it's not, it's look like really fun, like casino and others. You can do cash out. They are giving you many other way to get paid. Use your earned coin on freecash.com to withdraw PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa, Amazon, and much more. Crypto withdrawals start from 0.50. Like if you have $0.50 you made, you can easily withdraw. You don't have to wait for like $100 or $20. It is so small limit you can try on, and then you can go for further. And there are many more services you can get paid by. Like you can see here the all list: Apple, Amazon, Visa, Netflix, Spotify, Stream, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, Uber Eats, DoorDash, and many more. And rewards, they are also giving you rewards. It's not just like your task complete and you are getting the money. It's also like there are the parts. If you complete that task, you can get bonus money too. So it's like however the 7 days rewards and everything more than that in the market is now live. Earn up to 30% commission. Gift your friend a free case and earn up to 30% commission from what they earn, it is referral too. So free cash rewards is like really worth if you go and check it right now, and this is gonna make you some good cash in your future. So when you go for that and try, let me know in the comment below how your experience went, and did you withdraw some reward, and how you going with that. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in my next video with some more tricks and tips for money.